Are you suffering from brand obsessive disorder? Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant at Touchwood Automations. And today in this video, we are going to talk about one of the most common challenges that you all face when you are buying home theater systems in the market. And that is how to select between various brands of speakers. Well, now before I begin, if you have already faced these challenges while you are shopping and you come across so many quotations wherein the projector is most of the time common or the amplifiers are common, but the most differentiating factor is the speakers, and you really don't know that okay, which speaker should I buy. Well, if this is what you have faced, put in your experience in the comments below, because we would want to know what did you do during such times. And for all those of you who are waiting to know what should you ideally do, is I want you all to first subscribe to my channel, so that like always in this particular video I put on a light on one of the most common challenges that you all face in the market, and I help you make better, well-informed and correct decisions when it comes to buying anything and everything in home technology industry. Well, the reason why I call it brand obsessive disorder, first let me tell you that. Now what happens is, when you go out in the market and you, let's say you meet one person, you have a demo and he tells you okay, this is the list of items that I think would be right for your room, you typically would go to another place and then you will come across new set of brands, and your question in your mind that goes is, what is better, X brand versus Y brand, A brand versus B brand, or do I buy this or that? So what is better? Now this particular challenge of buying brands is what I call it as brand obsessive disorder, and the reason for it is because one of the common mistakes that most people do while buying home theaters is that they buy brands or they buy products and they don't really invest in solutions. Now the right way to approach while buying home theater system is to basically buy solutions and not just buy products. And to do that, I'm going to help you in this particular video with the technique which will help you buy exactly right solutions, which can consist of various brands, or it can consist a solution of only one brand as well. Now I know speakers matter, because that is one of the most critical aspect of your total sound system or the surround sound experience. And during such times, how do you go about shopping? Well, let me ask you one simple question. How many of you have woken up one day and decided that okay, today I'm going to do a bad job? Nobody does that, right? Like, even if I have to get up and say that okay, today I'm going to give you a wrong advice to everyone, that does not work, because we honestly, as a human being, we believe in doing good to other people as well as for us. Now if that is the approach that we all have, if there are 100 plus brands that are there manufacturing speakers, do you think any brand will wake up every day to manufacture a bad speaker? Obviously not, right? They all want to manufacture good speakers which are pleasing their customers just like you. And for me or for anybody to claim that okay, this brand is bad or this product is worst is not a right comment that we can pass, because obviously these brands have done that kind of research before manufacturing that speaker, and the reason why they exist is because they are doing some good work in the market. Now just like your nose or your tongue, ears are a sense as well, and every human being has got a different sense appeal. For instance, I may like certain sound, but for you, that sound may not be ideal for your ears. And that is exactly what I mean by sense appeal. So what you should first look out for when you buy speakers or when you buy home theaters is that what sort of sound matters to you, and that is also based upon what sort of content you watch. So let's say for someone who is into music, he would probably have a different taste of speakers, especially for music. Whereas for someone who is into a movie lover, he would basically have a different taste of sound, and that is what his expectations would be from the speakers that he will also buy. And that is exactly what I mean by sense appeal. So one thing that you have to always remember is that the sense appeal of everybody is going to be different, because one of the most common questions that I come across is that, sir, what do you think, which is the good brand? Do I buy this brand or do I buy this brand? And that is where I feel that, you know what, just buy the product which is ideal for your ears. Now I know some of you may not get a chance to audition various brands of speakers, and that is where you have to really look out for a good consultant who can hire or who can guide you with the entire process. Now, one of the common approaches that we do when we design home cinema packages is that we never sell brands, we sell solutions. And what do I do by doing that is, well, let me tell you what we do. Now, each brand has got three types of products. First one is the easy to buy product, which is easily accessible for everyone and it is, let's say, a little budget friendly. Then they have something which is called a primary product, which may be a budgetary system. And then they have something which is a high value product, which is, let's say, a little premium product. Now, each brand's definition of these easy to buy, budget and premium would be different. And what what your budget would be is based upon what sort of range are you fitting in over here. Like for instance, if I have to look at a brand called Polk, okay, now Polk Audio's budgetary or easy to buy product is their TL1600 package, which is just 40,000, 50,000 rupees 5.1 speaker package. Whereas if I'm talking about a brand like BMW, their entry level package or the easy to buy product for them starts from a lakh of rupees. And that is where these two brands have different easy to buy products, and according to your budget you can decide whether you want to go for easy to buy product or do you want to go for a primary product. For instance, a Polk's T series package or probably a Fusion series package would be somewhere around budget, primary product for them, whereas the BMW's 2 lakh rupees 683 floor standing speakers might be a primary product for them. So if I am in the market and I am willing to spend around 2 lakh rupees, what I would do is I've got two choices. I can go either with the premium or the high value or the primary products of these these brands, or I can go for the entry level, which is the easy to buy product of the Bang & BMW brand. And that is how we decide whether you are looking for a good sound, whether you're looking for a premium quality, or what sort of other things you are looking for to complete that surround sound experience. And this is the exact approach that you should have, and not necessarily count your money and put your money according to these slabs, because your money may not be premium for you, or it might be premium for you, but it might not be a premium product for certain brands. For them, it's just an easy to buy product. So what you need to ask yourself is, can I go for a better brand and can I go for their high value product in my price range, or do I settle for an easy to buy product of another brand because I am a little brand conscious and I want a good brand over there. So this too is where you need to decide, and not between the products, because you are never going to do an apple to apple comparison when you are comparing speakers. And that is why I always tell you that hire a consultant who can actually guide you as to what is, based upon your particular price range, your particular budget and your experience requirements, what is the right solution for you. And with this, I hope that you have understood that what is the right way to buy home theater speakers in the market. And as I said, I would love to hear back your stories as well as to how did you tackle around this particular problem, or what sort of problems you have had in the past while buying home theater speakers. And for those of you who are looking to get a good opinion on their requirements, I'm going to give you a link to my to basically get access to my team, so that you can probably reach out to them and set up an appointment with us on how we can guide you complete your home theater speaker package. So I'll see you around in my next video. Until then, I, Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant, will continue bringing in such more valuable information based videos for all of you, so that you can make better, well-informed and wise decisions when it comes to buying anything and everything in home technology industry. Thank you.